Have you ever wondered how, amidst the chaos and devastation of armed conflict, there are still fundamental rules designed to protect humanity and ensure accountability? It might seem like an immense challenge, but a powerful framework is indeed in place. International war crimes laws are primarily established through a combination of international treaties, customary international law, and general principles of law recognized by civilized nations. These sources create a legal system that defines prohibited actions during warfare and sets out mechanisms for holding individuals accountable. The core mechanism behind these laws is the collective will of states to prevent inhumane acts and ensure some degree of order even in wartime. Treaties like the Geneva Conventions, which were developed over decades, are formal agreements where nations explicitly consent to abide by certain rules. Customary international law emerges from the consistent practice of states coupled with their belief that such practices are legally binding. This dual nature ensures that even states not party to certain treaties may still be bound by universally accepted principles. To understand this practically, consider that when nations ratify treaties like the Geneva Conventions of 1949 and their additional protocols, they are legally committing to incorporate these protections into their domestic laws and enforce them. This means that soldiers and commanders are trained on these rules, and national courts can prosecute individuals for violations. When a state fails to act, international bodies like the International Criminal Court can step in, acting as a critical safety net. An interesting detail is that the concept of jus in bello, or justice in war, has roots stretching back centuries, influencing early codes of conduct for combatants even before formal international agreements existed. This historical lineage underscores a persistent human desire to limit the brutality of armed conflict. Another key term is universal jurisdiction, which allows any state to prosecute individuals for certain serious international crimes, regardless of where the crime was committed or the nationality of the perpetrator or victim, reinforcing the idea that these are crimes against all humanity. Ultimately, the establishment of these laws provides a critical, albeit imperfect, foundation for justice and accountability during conflict. By understanding their origins in treaties and state practice, we can better appreciate the ongoing efforts to protect human dignity and reinforce the idea that even in the most challenging circumstances, there are unbreakable rules that apply to everyone.
If this history moves you, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.